Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about how to make conference call in your POCO C61 smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start, friends. First, you have to open your phone app and then you have to just dial any number like this. Then you have to just simply click on. Friends, here you can see when you just click on dial and you can see this, you have to dial here the number like this and just simply call the number, and then you have to click on three dots. Here it is, add call. Here you have to type 121, then call this. You can see it is in call, and just simply you can see. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.